Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily find the right music for your edits using this awesome feature on ShotCut. So if you guys didn't know, there is a feature where you can find the right music. So ShotCut will automatically choose the music for your video. So what you need to do is just add the video and click on the music options at the bottom, and in here there is the option AI auto music. So just click on that and a shortcut will match the right music. So you can just choose the one that you think fits your style the best. For example, I'm going to add this summer smile. Just click on the plus icon, and if you want to drag or if you want to edit the music, you can just drag it like this. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click thanks. Bye.